In this RESIST project, we are looking for a systemic change rather than certain type of technological solutions. We want to change the way of doing, way of thinking of the space and way of thinking about the climate adaptation. My name is Piia Leskinen. I come from the Turku University of Applied Sciences and I lead the research team of water and environmental engineering. The role of my team in RESIST project is to facilitate the actions in the region to bridge the gap between science and practice, to support the city in carrying out its actions as they need technical support and scientific support for reaching their goals. The nature-based solutions that we want to use are very simple and cheap solutions, because in our region there is no space for very large solutions. So this means that if we really want to make a change and increase the retention capacity of the region, we need to apply these solutions everywhere, all around the region. We want to emphasize the role of the stakeholders. We want to apply solutions that will be selected by the stakeholders. Whether it's the property owners, they need to have the right to select what they want to have in their property. We want to apply the solutions that people in whether it's companies or private landowners or the city, they feel are the most suitable ones for the particular location.